Woo, look at that. Hold on, stop. What are you doing? Move.
Hurts nothing. That's so pretty.
Exactly. And it's my favorite for a reason. So make a wish, enjoy it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Traffic is slowing down. Hey guys. Very Atlanta. Oh, I shut down work for the day. Let me take this exit so I don't miss it.
Right lane to take
Yes, Siri. A couple weeks ago, I was at brunch with my girls. Most of them are over 40. There's one that's under. And they were saying, you know, something I do for myself is like whenever we go to events or we have events, they get their makeup done. And tonight I have a thing that I set up for myself. And you know what? I said, let me get my makeup done. I am not great at doing my makeup. So let me get it done. I know who I want to get it done by. If you guys saw the wedding vlog, I'll link it if you didn't. I know who I want to get it done by. So I'm going to get it done. It was originally supposed to be in a studio in Buckhead, but she said, no, gotta go to my house. So I'm out here on 400. So let me concentrate to get there and get my makeup done. This is gonna be me in my 40s for sure.
Doing all this work, but now that you're leaving,
We have no secrets. Okay. You got
Hummus, baba ganoush, labna, veggies.
what is that?
Labna,
What's that?
like a cheese?
So back to the blood.
Oh, this is so big.
Happy birthday, dear Kia.
Oh,
Happy birthday to you.
look at my musician friends. Thank you.
Drink it.
Okay.
I think that was more than a shot, right?
These are amazing desserts. They look amazing.
I'm sure I was in heaven over here. I just ate the biscuit.
yeah. I want to try the cheesecake.
That ice cream.
Yeah, get
Oh my god.
Oh man, I'm gonna like it.
Everything's so good, right?
No, everything is really good. Try the baklava.
I can't eat that cheesecake. Can never come over here.
What's that lady on TikTok?
I'll switch it for the baklava.
I think this is so far from me. It's so far.
No.
Oh man.
If I live closer, I'd be Uber Eats in this place.
All of it.
Oh my god.
That baklava is really good.
All of it. The ice cream.
Good. That was.
What you trying to show people, Jace? Come show me something.
We going to Avalon. You ain't got to go, but we going.
I want to come.
I figured.
I'm outside.
Come out, I'm outside.
Have you
There you go, Jace.
Avalon pizza?
Oh, he had an Antico pizza.
Oh, Antico. Yeah, I enjoy Antico.
Yeah, you was so
Oh,
little.
is this you?
It's 2 years ago.
He
3
was
years
like,
ago.
remember I had a suit on?
Oh my
What
god.
was that?
That's his pink
That's what he was
graduation.
looking for.
You were cute.
You still are.
I mean, you still are.
I really don't feel comfortable hitting a girl.
Don't worry. You won't.
Yo!
Oh, okay. I got you. Eau de toilette. This is geranium, rose, electric skies, vitamin cosmic wood. No? Which one? Black what?
She like the black version of this. The crop. That's pretty.
I love that. That's my favorite. And she likes big bags. Solo dates are for me. Most people don't do them. They mean to, they plan to, and the week happens and the evening is gone. They're oftentimes too scared to go out by themselves. But blocking this time and actually using it the way I said I would, that's the work. That's finding rest and quiet and stillness in a busy, busy world. All right, guys, this I'm working smarter, not harder, and it is going very well. I now just need to do the onions and lemons and lemongrass, and I'm going to do it in my food processor this time, like all the mincing and stuff. So that'll make it a lot easier. I put all the spices away when I was done with that part, and now I'm going to put away all my sauces before I move on to food processing, so that when I'm done, I don't have a huge mess. I don't like that. This is just, I always have a process, as you guys know, for the things I do. And this is 14 different marinades. So I'm super excited, but I'm gonna finish this and then head over to some tennis. An hour on Sunday buys me the whole week. Everything I need from this week gets decided in the next hour. Very specifically, what's getting done, what's getting moved, what's getting cut. An hour on Sunday buys me the whole week. That math has been serving me for years now. This is the part most people skip. Whether I plan or not, the week is coming. I'd rather meet it on my terms.